Welcome to Adventures with Audrey. Today we are going to be opening Unicorn Poopsie Slime Surprise. Let's get started. So I'm going to start unrolling. It's a little tough. Okay, after taking off the wrapper, we have unicorn magic and unicorn food. We have a unicorn spoon and some unicorn scent. I hope it smells good. Okay, so this might be a little hard, so I might need to ask my parents to help. But first I'm going to try. Yeah, I need to ask my parents for help. One moment. Mom, can you please help me? Phew, that was hard, but finally got it open. Let's see what's inside. Looks like we have a can of Poop Star energy drink. We have here, well, we have this. It's like a Poopsie keychain, and this part comes off so we can put the slime inside. Oh, and it has sparkly star glasses. And it looks like it's pretty much goldish yellow. Looks like we have a pink cup. But I don't know what it's for. Oops, still got some more stuff in here. Unicorn sparkles and unicorn bling. Ooh, and instructions. A checklist. I'm not going to be able to tell you all their names because I don't know any of their names. So I guess that's what we have here. Okay, everybody, so we opened up all our surprises and we read the instructions. So now, let's make our slime. Okay, so first we're going to take the lid off the bottom. Next, we're going to fill 2 cups of water. Okay, so next we're going to put 5 drops of the Unicorn Surprise scent. I hope it smells good once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it smells nice. Next, we put our unicorn food. Okay, so we put all our ingredients in. So we're going to screw on our cap and shake it up. It says to shake it for 1 whole minute. Phew, now I'm pooped. Okay, now it's time to open it up and see our slime. And we have to take it out with our unicorn spoon. Okay guys, this slime was super sticky. We tried to get most of it out. But now it's time to put our unicorn magic powder. Oh my gosh, it's gold. Alright guys, I'm gonna mix the sticky slime all together. It says that my surprise slime is going to change to a surprise color. I'm gonna try to get all this in the slime. Look at the surprise color that it is. Isn't that so sparkly and cool? Wow, it's so cool. Amazing, it changed to orange, orangey, red, I don't know. It's cool. Cool. It's cool. It's like with gold in it. Because it does have gold in it. Because it's gold sparkles. It's so cool. It's kind of like so like it's not kind of like it's so stretchy. It's super duper stretchy. It might even break if I pull it a lot. It's not breaking. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to put some unicorn sparkles. Whoa, that's awesome. Super sparkly and super shiny. I love it. So cool. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say I love it. I just love it. Almost forgot. I gotta add my unicorn blade. So, I guess I'm just gonna break it up and put it in here. This is so cool! It's getting so gold. It's so cool. It's gonna be so cool once you see this. As you can already see it right now. It's so sparkly and even more gold! Now I'm gonna see how stretchy it is. Wow, this is super stretchy. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to put this in my keychain. I mean, my poop keychain. Oh, and it's making a fart sound. So it's probably more of Poopsie Fart Surprise. So it's very fun and glittery and gold, and I do love poop. Even if it's unicorn poop. I know, I am pretty gross. After making my Poopsie Slime Surprise, I want to give it 2 thumbs up.